What is a qualified personal residence trust? A qualified personal residence trust, or QPRT, can be a valuable estate planning tool for New Jersey homeowners looking to secure their property for future generations while reducing potential tax burdens. If preserving your home and maximizing financial benefits are priorities, understanding how a QPRT works is essential. Legal framework of a qualified personal residence trust. A QPRT is a type of irrevocable trust specifically designed for transferring a primary or secondary residence to beneficiaries while potentially lowering estate and gift tax liabilities. Once the property is placed in the trust, the homeowner retains the right to live there for a set period. At the end of this term, the property is transferred to the named beneficiaries, often at a reduced taxable value. Under federal tax law, the property's value at the time of transfer determines its gift tax value, which can be significantly lower than its future market value. If the grantor outlives the trust term, the home is not included in their estate, reducing estate tax obligations. However, if the grantor passes away before the trust term ends, the property reverts to the estate, potentially negating tax benefits. New Jersey law does not impose an estate tax, but it does have an inheritance tax, which varies depending on the relationship between the grantor and the beneficiaries. This makes careful estate planning crucial when setting up a QPRT to ensure tax benefits align with state regulations. How does a QPRT work? Establishing a QPRT involves several steps. First, the homeowner decides on the term of the trust. Generally, a longer term can result in greater tax savings, but it also carries the risk that the grantor may not outlive it, which would place the property back into their taxable estate. Once the trust is created, the property title is transferred to the QPRT. The grantor retains the right to live in the home for the duration of the trust, but once the term expires, ownership officially passes to the beneficiaries. At that point, if the original owner wishes to continue living in the home, they must pay fair market rent to the beneficiaries. Since a QPRT is irrevocable, it cannot be easily modified or revoked once established. This provides stability for estate planning but also means careful consideration is necessary before creating the trust. Benefits and considerations of a QPRT. The primary advantage of a QPRT is its ability to lower estate and gift tax obligations. By locking in the home's value at the time of transfer, the taxable amount can be substantially reduced. Additionally, because the property is no longer considered part of the grantor's estate after the trust term, potential estate tax savings can be significant. Beyond tax benefits, a QPRT provides asset protection. Once the home is placed in the trust, it is no longer subject to the grantor's creditors, helping safeguard the property for beneficiaries. However, there are risks to consider. If the grantor passes away before the trust term ends, the property is included in their estate, potentially eliminating tax benefits. Additionally, once the trust term expires, the grantor must pay rent to continue living in the home, which could be an added financial burden. Get legal guidance from the Matus Law Group. A QPRT can be a powerful estate planning tool, but it requires careful planning to ensure it aligns with your long-term goals. Working with an experienced lawyer can help navigate the complexities of estate laws and maximize potential benefits. The attorneys at the Matus Law Group are ready to assist New Jersey residents in establishing and managing QPRTs. If you're considering a QPRT for your estate plan, contact the Matus Law Group at 732-281-0060 or visit their office at 81 East Water Street Suite 2C, Toms River, New Jersey, 08753 for professional legal assistance.